Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel, get more update on intraday and trading strategies. And this video, I'm going to discuss about my trades, and we are going to discuss about uh, scanner about 45-degree. Lot of comments and questions about 45-degree angle. So those who are new to my channel, kindly subscribe. And today, entirely the Nifty is 45-degree down. Let's look at this chart. Nifty is totally a 45-degree down today. So most of the stocks are down because of almost 2% down in Nifty, 1.8% down, and keep on going down as a 45-degree in Nifty. So we didn't get any good more stocks on 45-degree on bullish side, but most of the stocks where we are finding out on a bearish side, and that was happening, and it was keep on going down and down. Finally, the result where most of the stocks, all of them are going down. There is a lot of opportunity, and there is a big opportunity today. So those who are attend to my advanced strategy, they are making a good money. And on my trades which I have done today is two trades which I have done, because I am not taking a many position today, because in the morning I was taking a class, a live class around 9:15 to almost 9:30. I started the class, and it was ending around 10:30, 11 o'clock. Most of the trade opportunity I was missed because concentrate on the class. I missed out. But I did two trades. One is Hindu Hotel, but it was a huge benefited trade, uh, where I taken 13.2, the put option of 340. So after that it went to near about 22 plus, I think. Due to that, Hindu Hotel doesn't have a liquidity after my position which I am taken. Even I was discussing about that in a live class also. But let's look at this. This is what a result where that Hindu Hotel is closed. So if you are a new, just go for don't go for illiquid stocks, or if any prices of the options are illiquid, don't go for a trade. That is what the reason I have exited. So 13.2, the low it made around 11.95. After that I get a confirmation. So 13.2 is the entry price where I have taken, and closed, no problem. It's around 8,000. It's a good profit where I took, and some of the position which I'm holding it right now, and it was in loss only, but I'm not exited the position. Once I'm exiting with the loss, I will update you. So someone was asking about why you are not posting any loss trade, because if I book any losses, I am also going to make here on the video, right? And it was closed by 22. Huge benefit, almost 9 points, around 36,000. This was on a put side. The entire market is down. This is happening on a put side. But the next one which I've taken is Ambuja Cement. It was on a call side. So let's look at this. Today market after opening it is entirely down, but here I have the opportunity. 32, I exited with 38, and it went up to 47 plus, I think. That option. There is an opportunity where you are going to find out either it may be a bullish or a bearish. Ambuja Cement I will show you. After that it's going down, that is a different part. So where I took the position, I think 41, not 47. It is about 41 rupees after exiting. Another 3 rupees. That is about 10,800, which I have booked. It's a good enough profit for an intraday trade that we exited from this trade that was giving you good opportunity. And someone who messaged me using this 45-degree about around 11 o'clock, he find IDFC, I think, that I shared on my Telegram too. That was giving you good profit around 12,000. He booked following my YouTube channel. Great. So that is the reason, and a lot of strategies. And someone who asking about to create the scanner and change for a open equal to high or a open equal to low. So you can add if you are using a open low or open high. So we may be getting the stocks may be very less. So that I'm going to show you how to add the open low or open high on our 45-degree scanner. That was a comment which I received on yesterday's video. So those are the 45-degree bullish stocks. So where you can add another comment, the latest open. If it is a bullish stock, so latest open must be equal to latest low. That means these conditions will filter out the stock which forms a open equal to low today. Here we didn't get any stocks, and recent these are the stocks we got it. But yesterday, if you are focusing it out, only one stock, that is what a Delta car. So you may not get many stocks, but if you are using these conditions about open low, that will help you to find out such a great opportunity. Only few stocks you can get it up. So let me go for the 45-degree bearish. So that I'm going to show you the 45-degree bearish, right? So we find a lot of stocks here. Almost 163 stocks were filtered. Got it? Because due to Nifty is going down continuously about a 45-degree, most of the stocks were going down. And also I'm finding out Adani Enterprise on a live class. So one option, Adani Enterprise, that is based on the intraday strategy, which I'm going to find out 3750 put option, which I'm focusing around 160 rupees. This option which I'm trying to buy 160. While I'm taking a live classes, I told my student who attended the class today, this is the opportunity, but it is a big risk. If you are a risky trader, that should be the great opportunity. And after it went up to 259, almost 100 point, that is around 50,000 rupees, where the chances to make profit. The risk around 20,000 something, but the chances of making huge money. And few stocks like Z Entertainment and some other stocks which we have find out today. So here in the scanner we are going to add open equal to high. So almost 163 stocks were filtered today. If you are using the open equal to high, there is a condition, so you can add open must be equals to the high, today's high, latest high. If you run, so we have a small, very few number of stocks. So the first one is Glenmark, Tata Consume, Amar Raja Batteries. So most of the stocks were down right today because of overall market is red. Every stocks were going down, and that is what we find out. So as per your request, now I save the scan. So if I'm saving it now, so it will affect my dashboard. So what I do, I can save as this. If you want to change that open equal to low scanner, this was open equal to high. Let me go for latest open must be equals to latest high. Let me go for a save as here bearish open to maybe useful. So you can search with the same name, so you will be finding out that one. And the second one which you are going to make open equal to low, right? So on that 45-degree bullish, I'm going to make the scanner. So everyone was asking about the open equal to low. So someone who can create, but some cannot. You can make a copy of the scan and you can make use of it. Open equal to low today. That would be a great opportunity to use. But we ran the scan, we didn't get any stocks, but we find out very least number of stocks. And I'm going to save us bullish here price. So last one also we let me take here open equal to this one, open equal to high, means the today's open price is equal to today's high price. And if you are using a bearish stocks, you have to change the filter, that is the percentage change, then it will show you what are the stocks which forms. So let's go for a Glenmark, Tata Consumer. I don't need to check it out because all the stocks were going down and down almost 45-degree, keep on going down. Tata Consume our product. Look at this, started open high with around 840 and it is fallen down. And as per advanced strategy that we are using, advanced option strategy, and these are the scanners which you are going to make. We are created the scanner. So I will share you on my Telegram. So everyone who are asking about the scanner, so today I will share you that on my Telegram channel after this video, right? Okay. And about advanced strategy, one of my student who attended my classes recently, and he was able to make some good profit of 50,000 rupees today. He have some losses on McDowell, JK Cement and Pidilite, but All other trades cumulative profit today itself he made almost 50,000 rupees. He was very happy, and he made I think in 1 week back he attended my classes and he finished it out. And right now he was doing a great plan and doing with positional trade. Almost 50K is a good enough profit in a day. Even if if he squared out all the positions, he making good profit. So this is what about yesterday's scenario today, and these are the profits. What are the stocks which provide trades today by advanced strategy? Advanced strategy one is Rain 25,000, Colpol 8,000, UPLA 25,000, Voltas 22,000. Almost he booked near about 60-70,000 plus, and finally he got overall loss, and my net profit is around totally 50,000 rupees. He made profit by using after learning the advanced strategy. So here what I'm doing on my advanced strategy, I'm doing some thing about advanced strategy. Everyone were asking about that advanced strategy, what I'm doing in that advanced strategy. I'm showing you what are the things which you are going to learn in the advanced strategy. So what we are doing here on the advanced strategy, one is the 4-day session, 4 days, and one-to-one session. It was on a one-to-one, not a group class. It's about one-to-one session where I'm taking especially you to take the class, and you are going to learn 5 different strategies. There on the five strategy, you are going to get a 4 as a edged one, and one strategy should be a naked or a jackpot strategy. That strategy, the fifth strategy was applying here. Almost Rain buying in naked put, and cold ball, UPL, Voltas, everything he was buying a naked put options. And this is what a trade we are naked options for are aged, right? And at the class time, everyone asking about the time for the class. The time for the class is nothing about your free time. What is time is as per your convenience, so you can fix your time. Okay, I'm not fixing your time for your classes. You can fix your time, and you can make use of it, the strategies to learn. And that's about this. After attending this is a one who are sharing, someone who sharing that profit, someone who are not sharing that. That is not an issue for me. But those who are followed the strategy, they made profit, and then they are sharing my screenshot by using the methods where they learned on the session. Okay. And even more stocks, I find Voltas. Even I am seeing Voltas, that was 70 rupees. That entry got triggered around 70 rupees in 1000 put option, which I'm watching it out, but due to that class and other things, I was not focusing it out. But I even my student taken the exactly at the time when the price triggers at 70, so I'll go for a 15 minutes. So here is the exact entry point around 1 o'clock. About a 70, and immediately it went to 80, and it was trading 76 somewhere else, and suddenly jumps over 125. Simple. So that our target got triggered in intraday itself, but it is not an intraday trade. That's a positional trade where we have taken that as a positional trades, but the target got triggered in intraday, so we are exited out, and that is what on a great opportunity in Voltas. Some other stocks like he also taken a lot of trades, 3-4 trades, and he was booking, and some 3 trades he holding. So hope you are doing well. Okay, follow the strategy what you all learned on the session. And about the scanner, which is here, the 2 scanner, which is one is a 45-degree open low and 45-degree open high. So make use of it, the scanner, and search for the name of talent traders. So you will find out this is what the exact scanner name. Find the 45-degree stocks bullish, the open equal to low by talent trader. So you make use of the scanner, and some comments on giving you to comments about had a volume, had some other things, but you can try it out. If it is good, so you can let me know. We can add that in publicly. We can publish that scanner what you are going to make it. So hope you enjoyed this video about this thing. And what about Bank Nifty? Bank Nifty is not about a big move. It is very slow comparatively. Nifty and Bank Nifty. Nifty down by 331. Bank Nifty just about 452. This is about a little bit strong. Maybe today is a gap down market open, and about Tata Consume. Look at this shooting star got missed out. Consumer about shooting star 838 positional trades that was working. So now I'm going to make you this scanners about a candlesticks. So I'm going to make a short videos on my channel. So you can go through that short videos about 30 seconds to 1 minute. It may be helping you to find out a trade opportunity. Wish this may be a useful video to you all. And if you like this video, hit the like button and share to your friends. If you have any questions or a doubt, just comment on the comment box. Thank you for watching this. Thank you very much.